Okay, so welcome back to the channel. I wanted to talk to you today about something that it's been on my mind for a while. If you notice that this particular business I'm in, it's a dying breed. It's not something that is like around every community in every town. It's not like a Walmart or Target kind of deal. The kind of economy that we have, honestly, and I'm not even complaining about it because it's the way of the future, just like automation, right? As much as a lot of the workers would love to have the job like this forever, eventually automation is going to take over, and then we're just going to pivot into another form of economy, right? I was listening to, who was it I was listening to today? It may have been Gary Vee, I think it was. And he was talking about how the day before the tractor was created, right? That day, the day before, right? There was a whole lot of farm hands on hand, and everyone was really happy about having their opportunity. They were happy about working the farms and everything else. And I guess after a while, it put a lot of people out of business. Right now, AI is at the... How's this? Remember that movie Her? I was playing with ChatGPT today, and I did the voice one. And I was like, oh my gosh, I remember watching that movie Her. That was with Joaquin Phoenix, Joaquin Phoenix and Scarlett Johansson. And I was telling my son, I said, wow, Scarlett Johansson was a voice. I said, well, you have a voice like Scarlett Johansson talking to you every day. I could see why he fell in love with his phone, you know? But that's besides the point. But repair business, the television repair guy, the shoemaker, a lot of these businesses are just gonna fade out. I'm not disillusioned by that idea. But you know what doesn't fade out? Saving money, wanting to hold on to something that you purchased and not feeling like, well, I bought it, let me just throw it away. So that need for someone to say, you know what, let me figure out how to fix this thing is still there. And that's why I'm holding on tight. Okay, I'm holding on. Have you ever seen that the stork and that frog, where the frog's in the stork's mouth and he's fighting? He's like, I'm holding on. I'm still fighting till the very end. That's me right now. Okay, so those of you who were able to get something good out of our channel, thank you very much, and I hope to continue to do this. But I am going to shift a little bit because I am going to do a lot more of these, because I do want people to tune in, not just because they're looking for something for their Bissell or their Kirby. I actually want you to tune in because we're building a community here. I have a membership program going that you guys can actually join and become members, and I want to be able to answer questions as fast as I can. We're doing live on Thursdays at 1 o'clock. And the idea between live is so you can send me pictures. I already have one photo that I want to work off of. It has to do with a Bissell Pro Heat. I'm going to contact the person and let him know that I'm going to try to cover this on Thursday at 1 o'clock. Hopefully, if he can't do it, then he can also view it a little bit later on. But I'm going to be doing that. I wasn't quite sure how live was going to work with this particular format, because normally live is like, they're talking about random things. It could be politics. It could be makeup. It could be, whatever. I just didn't know if this would work. So I'm trying to find a way that this would work. And if you guys have any ideas or concepts, please share. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to take this time to sit down and chat with you and kind of explain. I understand it is on its way out, but guess what? We're always going to have homes. We're always going to want to buy cleaners for the homes, just like we're always going to have shoes. But guess what? Most people are not taking their shoes to the shoemaker. They are throwing it away. Okay? Cleaners like these, a $700 Dyson, do you really want to just throw it away? Do you want to kind of succumb to that, where you have it for a year or two and you just toss it? I know Dyson don't want to hear me say this, but because they prefer that you buy another one, and I don't blame them. It is a business model. It's okay. But man, if someone love it so much and say, man, I want to find a way to keep this thing, because if they can keep it for 5 or 6 more years, they will go back to Dyson. They will tell their friends, hey, get a Dyson. It's the best machine. I drive a Lexus, right? And the reason I drive one, it's not because of some name. right? Because it's the Toyota motor, right? It's just that I had such a great experience with this thing. The previous model was a 1999. I purchased it used in 2003. And it served me all the way into the teens, I think until 2018. Okay? And the only reason why I don't have that particular vehicle anymore is because I crashed it, which is not a good thing because it was unfortunate. I crashed it. I totaled the car. And then immediately I went right after that and bought me another one. Okay, my wife wanted a vehicle. She had a Honda. And I was like, you know what, honey, you got to have one of these. Okay? Because I trust the motor. I trust the way they built it. They built it very strong. The same thing with cleaners. So anyway, guys, thanks for tuning in. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. You know, yeah, you don't have to, but it would be nice if you did. And if you want to be a member and you want to support our channel, go check out the membership. Also, guess what, man? I am big on goal setting, and I just released a journal. It's a guided journal for you to be able to go through setting goals. It's for busy people because I am extremely busy and I fell off course. I kind of took a nosedive and I stopped focusing on the things I want to do. Check it out. The link is going to be below. That's another way you can support us. If you don't want to be a monthly subscriber, you can say, hey, how do I help this guy out? Grow his channel. Pick up one of these journals. Give it as a gift to somebody. Okay? I'll see you guys soon, and stay tuned. And don't forget to tune in for the live on Thursday at 1 o'clock. All right. Bye-bye.